And here in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get a Glock 19 Generation 5 in the state of California. Let's go. Are you ready? I know you're ready. All right, here we go. What's up, guys? Just like I said, here in this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can get a Glock 19 Generation 5 in the state of California. As well, this will be an unboxing, so I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got here with this Glock 19. Crazy, 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 crazy. So, first off, I wanna shout out to my dad who currently lives in the state of Florida. That was the reason and the only way, besides purchasing it from somebody here, it being a private seller, for me to end up getting my hands on this Glock 19. So I want to say shout out to my pops. I'm going to do this whole unboxing for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys everything that came with the Glock 19. All right, so first things first, here it is, the Glock 19. Make sure it's clear for you guys. Glock 19, super nice gun. You guys can see that there's nothing in there. Yeah, shout out to my pops that was able to get this for me in the state of Florida, because in California, we don't have the pleasure to get these kind of guns out here. Here's the mag. Like, you know, very simple mag. So yeah, here it is, man. Super nice, super clean. Show you guys the top. This is the MOS version right here too. Backside. Super clean gun, super clean. So just from already looking at this, you guys can probably already tell that two things are a little bit different from this gun than the standard stock version of this gun. One, the slide is gonna be different. The slide and the barrel are both upgraded on this gun already, fresh out the box. Again, this is the MOS version. We do have the opportunity to put a RMR for this guy. I'm gonna do the 6.25 from Trigicon for this gun. Dude, super clean gun, super nice gun. I really love it. This is definitely gonna be my favorite gun out of the two that I already have, just because, you know, it's a Glock Generation 5. Like, how can you not love a Glock Generation 5? So the other things that come in the box besides the gun, again, this is empty for you guys, so you guys know that there's nothing in there. The container, one thing I like about the Glock manufacturer, they come in these hard cases versus with the Springfield, it came in that soft case. I really don't like the soft case because then it could easily, you know, ding and hit and bang up the gun on the inside. Versus the hard case, you get a lot more protection with that, which I do like. This is the inside of the case. So you guys can see that right now. You get this soft padding in here, this foam. I like that. That can really help and protect the gun. It comes with some grips, some back grips, excuse me. Comes with back grips, two smaller ones and two bigger ones. Again, this gun is empty, so you guys don't have to worry about that. Just like that, kind of gives it a little ducktail on the end. That's one. And then the other ones don't have the ducktail on the end. And you just slide that on the back side like that and pop it right into place. And then you just still hold the gun like regular. So two different styles of additional grips that they give you. Again, they just give you these guys with a ducktail on one end and then one without. Two mags. In the state of Florida, the mags do come with their standard capacity of 15. We're not allowed to have rounds at 15 right now in the state of California. There is a case going on right now in the state of California that's trying to overrule the 10 round magazine capacity that we have right now in the state of California. So me being a new gun owner, I'm hoping that law is going to get struck down so that we can purchase higher than 10 round magazines at this time. Right now we can't. So I was only allowed to have the 10 round magazines at my that ended up purchasing for me and sending these with the gun rather than the 15 rounds. Big thing that I really like that did not come with the Springfield XD that I got recently about 2 months ago is that it didn't come with a magazine loader. This thing is a hand saver. And what do I mean by the hand saver? You literally slide the magazine loader over the magazine and you push down and you can easily put a bullet in there, super easy. And look, I can just push it with one hand. Push it down, bullet, slide it right on that guy, lift it up, slide it in. Boom, just like that, super duper easy. Versus having to use both hands to put them in there. I think that Springfield should start adding those into their packages for selling the XD. Because if you're doing this over and over and over and over again, it would be great because it's gonna really strengthen your hand grip up. But then two, your hands just get tired. So I love that Glock adds that automatically into, you know, purchasing one of their guns. Still comes with your lock and key for your gun, orange, just like the other one was. And then it also comes with 2 keys, just like the other gun did. Really nice gun, really nice gun. You guys can see that this barrel is ported, so it does have holes in it right there. Get super close for you guys so you guys can see that. Boom. I'm loving this clarity on this camera though, just from doing it like this. Also in the package comes with a booklet from Glock. You got all kind of brochures and paperwork in here. The Glock Sporting Club is in here. Your guide to firearm safety is in here. The NRA brochure is in here. Customer safety awareness form is in here too. As well as you have your Glock safety pistols brochure. So all of the paperwork that comes with the Glock 19 in there. Man, this gun is dope. It's dope, it's dope, it's dope, it's dope. I'm so happy to have, you know, a Glock 19 right now. Again, shout out to my pops for helping me get this, because in the state of California with everything going on right now, it would have been 1 in a million opportunity for me able to get this gun. And when I had it sent in to Rifle Supply, shout out to Rifle Supply for handling my transfer. It was super smooth. I came right in. When the gun got there, they did the paperwork for me. I did have to do a background check all over again. 10 days later, I was able to come in and pick up my Glock 19 Generation 5. Super nice, super nice, super nice. I'm gonna tell you guys already some things that I plan on changing on the gun. One, I plan on putting the RMR, and I do need to get these iron sights changed as well, because these iron sights are kind of hard to see or hard to use in the event that when I'm at the range and I'm trying to shoot. But I don't like the fact that it's white and white. So I do plan on getting that changed. You guys can see that there's nothing in there, nothing in this mag either. Here's the wall. Again, here's the wall. Again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I can't wait to continue to make more videos off of the things that I enjoy doing. One, with it being fitness. Two, with my newfound hobby of going to the gun range, shooting guns, and just knowing that if anything happens within my household, I'll be able to protect myself. So again, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to see you guys in the next videos, because you guys have been blowing up all of my gun videos, and I really appreciate that from all of you guys. It's been royal. I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys, and peace out.